This video chart presentation of Redknee Solutions. Redknee trades on Toronto Stock Exchange under ticker RKN. On our US video chart for the week, we're looking at a multiple bottom pattern. Same thing here with Redknee. See it hit 315 here in September. Made a nice little climb to 405. Pretty strong resistance set up at $4. Came back down to 319. Back on the rise again. Closed up Wednesday by almost 7%. Decent volume, 480,000 shares traded. So we're going to pay attention to this going forward. See if this rise is going to continue off this double bottom, if it can take out resistance at $4. Nice move going on with the MACD as the stock price bottoms. Upward movement, showing the trend is trying to shift towards bullishness. Of course, ultimately, we want to see this break a zero to indicate a truly bullish trend for the chart. So pretty important for the MACD and the signal line to both break over the center line and move into positive territory. Now gauging by the slow stow, we're seeing some higher lows and now a move through 50, telling us that momentum is building into play. And what we'll look for, similar to through here, we want to see that break to the upper half of the indicator. We want to see it hold that area because the break back down shows that momentum is coming out of the play. You can see when that happened right through here, it's when the stock dropped and hit that double bottom area again. Same way with the money flow index. It's another gauge of momentum. Push through the upper half of the indicator. See the 14 up around 67 right now. Starting to flatten out a little bit, but holding above 50 shows bullish momentum. And then there's the RSI, which is probably the most commonly used gauge of momentum, but the principle is basically the same. A move through 50 shows the bulls are taking control of momentum, and you can see right now that's just starting to happen as the stock price is rising off of that bottom. So we'll just want to see that momentum continue to build, and for the RSI to hold greater than 50. But as we always say, still comes down to the candles. We'll look for that support at 315 to hold, should there be any great drawback. If it's broken, for us just a walk away from it type of play, because the double bottom pattern is no longer intact. One other place that we'd have our eye is right here at 340. See, there is a little bit of support through there. If that's broken, I'd pay attention to volume, see how much the momentum's building towards the negative side of things, to lend to the idea if this bottom support's going to hold for the third time or not. But the key level is the 315 mark. To the north side, stock's actually pretty close to some resistance where it closed at 374. Right around 380 there's a little bit of resistance. See, that's been a tough point for it in October. Hasn't been able to close above that level, even though it did peak out at 387 early on in the month. The primary resistance though, going to look right around $4. Can pull it up just a hair higher to this 405. My line's actually just a skosh too high. You can see that in general that point is a tough spot for it. Also represents the area from the gap down early on in September. I don't know what motivated this, what made it happen. But what I'd be looking for is if that spot can be broken, I'd be looking for the gap to be filled to right up there around 460 as the next point of resistance. That's a pretty nice climb though from Wednesday's close at 374. Not something we'd say is going to happen overnight. Those are just the points that we look for going forward, with 405 being a key area for the chart. So those are the things we'll be looking for in the RKN chart. But as always, merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.